Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M51 and I'm going to show you my favorite motion and the gestures in this smartphone. So let's go for the settings. Then we have to scroll down to reach the advanced features, and here we have to tap on the motions and the gestures. So we have here very interesting lift to wake, double tap to wake, and also very cool is finger sensor gestures. So we are going to start with this one. And as you know, smartphones these days are very big, and sometimes you cannot reach some part of the screen, so we can use the one-handed mode, but also you can use this fingerprint sensor to open the notification bar, and also we can just close it. So as you can see, it's very cool and helpful. You don't have to reach here, you can just simply swipe with your fingerprint sensor. And we are going for the next one. Here we got the double tap to wake, so we can simply double tap on the screen to wake it, and of course you can do this not only with your finger, so really cool. And the last one, there's the lift to wake. So when the screen is turned off, you can just lift the device and it will be turned on. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, the lock screen is set up, so right now when we grab the phone and make it like that, it is going to unlock automatically. So these are three my favorite gestures in this smartphone. You can also try any others. You can, for example, palm swipe to capture, so we have to swipe the edge of our hand across the screen to take a screenshot, but you have to try them. I just show you my three favorite gestures. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.